My name is Dietrich. I'm Deputy General Manager of this company, Perla Harghitei. Our company employs 370 people. We have a turnover of roughly 23 million euros per year, and we're bottling 150 million liter mineral water per year. The latest line, what we bought, has two new things for us. The first is the block system, where the stretch blow molder is connected with the filler. The block system for us, it was extremely important due to the higher hygienic level, which is represented by the block system, partly, and partly due to the higher complexity of our products, which is able to be handled by this block system. Behind the block system, what we have been installing for the first time here, we have changed also the labeling technology. So the new labeling control machine what we bought is the first one for us using polyethylene foil. The main reason behind this, it was the increasing cost of the paper labels, but of course it's also very important to see the speed of the line, which has increased, and we believe that the rolls of the polyethylene foils can handle much easier the speed than with the old lines with paper. The first investment and the first contact with Krones has been fructified in 2003 when we bought the first PAT line, with producing 0.5 and 1.5 liter PATs, and then we continued up to 2017, where we have invested in the last PAT line with much higher capacities compared to the first one. We have, as I mentioned before, 7 different production lines, all from Krones. And if you're asking me what we will invest in the future, it will be also Krones. One reason is that it has a very good service background in the country, and the second is that, and not the last one of course, very good technical department and technical solutions.